So this is a fantastic probiotic face mask for acne. It's also really helpful for sunburn and helps to balance combination skin. So if you've got some dryness, but also oily skin, which is often correlated with that acne, this is going to be fantastic for you. So first I have some yogurt, and yogurt is very cooling to the skin. It helps to balance the skin microbiome because of those active live cultures. It also contains lactic acid, which helps with sunburn, but also helps to kill those bad bacteria, helps to reduce inflammation, and helps to control that oil in the skin. So I'm going to mix that into my bowl, as well as some honey. So honey is a natural antibacterial. It's also called a humectant, which means it helps to add moisture to the skin, and it has anti-inflammatory effects. So I'm going to mix these together. And now to kick it up a notch, I'm also adding a concentrated probiotic. So this is a supplement. This is Acidophilus and bifidus, some of my favorite strains for the microbiome. And yes, we have a skin microbiome as well. So this is really going to help with balancing that microbiome and helping with the acne. It will help to fight off those bad bacteria as well and those bad organisms, which can then, lend itself to developing the acne in the first place. And now that it's all blended up, you're going to apply this to nice cleansed skin that's still a little bit damp and moist, and you're just going to apply it all over your skin. And then you're going to let it dry. So when it's nice and dry, you can leave it on for about 15 minutes or so, then you're going to wash it away and then follow up with your regular skincare routine. For help with that, you can check out our other videos. Thanks for joining me today.